Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Kenneth. Today I am going to talk about a very important topic. So let me get into the topic. So today's topic is nothing about, so you may all know what is Big Boss. So the Big Boss is nothing but selecting 14 members or 16 members and putting them in a house where there will be no connection to the outside world. So here what will happen is they will play games, and according to that they will be voted, and at the end the winner will be decided. But many of you may not know actually where this Big Boss comes from. So this is the similarity of another show known as Big Brothers. So Big Brothers is nothing but it's also same thing, putting contestants in the house and they will play a game, and later on it will be decided who is the winner based on the votes. So this Big Brother is a show which was conducted in United States. Then later on it was copied as Big Boss in other countries also, which includes India. So the first Big Boss started in Mumbai around the year 2009 or say 2006. So that was the first season of Big Boss. Then later on, as years passed by, the other states are also copied the Big Boss team and they started running the show. So now this is the fourth season of Tamil Big Boss. You may ask why I am speaking this. This is nothing but to tell you or share the information about Big Boss. And not only that, here I have found a lot of similarities for the first three seasons and the current season. For example, I am going to tell you two important similarities that took place between Big Boss 1, 2, 3 and the current Big Boss. The first similarity is nothing but the contestants for the past 4 Big Boss are asked to dance for a song in the morning. So actually what they will do is in the morning to wake up the contestants, they will put the song and that contestants dance in the show. So this is the first similarity that I have noticed. The second similarity which I have noticed is if you compare Big Boss season 3 and Big Boss season 4, the first week of this Big Boss, they will tell their stories which has happened in the past and how they have struggled to come to that particular stage. And I have also noticed the same similarities in even Big Boss season 1 and Big Boss season 2. So this is the not only this, there are many similarities such as in a task wise. But if you see one thing, we do not know what exactly will happen in the Big Boss for the past 24 hours. Why? Because for us, they are only putting the show for 1 hour. That is according to our Big Boss timing 9:30 to 10:30. So based on that only we judge the contestant and then only we put the votes for the nominated contestants. For example, let us say for Big Boss season 4, Suresh Chakravarti is the main person dominating this show. If you see Big Boss season 3, Vanita Vijaykumar is the person who has been dominating that show. So for the past 2 episodes, there is at least a single person who is dominating the entire contestants in the Big Boss season 4. But what I like to say is, based on what I saw, only I am telling you this. So, and others may also judge the contestants on the basis of what they are showing. So, this Big Boss is, according to me, and I hope according to you, is pretty interesting because the contestants are playing well, and not only that, if you see in every Big Boss, for the first week, they will be absolutely normal. But if you start noticing from the second week or third week, their true color comes. So this is all a gameplay which Big Boss has given to us. So, and obviously this Big Boss is run in India by a company known as Endomorphine Groups. So this group is the one who is running the Big Boss season. Not only in Tamil, but in Hindi, Telugu, Kerala, everywhere. So this is the small information which I like to share. So I hope you liked this video and you found this video interesting. So please like, subscribe and comment on what video I should make next. Thank you.